Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix voice message not playing or working. If you are facing issue with Instagram voice message not playing or working on your phone, here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable and active internet connection. Poor connectivity can lead to issue with loading and playing voice messages. After that, update Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram app. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. Outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issue. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If clearing the cache doesn't work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This ensures you have the latest version without any corrupted files. After that, check app permission. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps, scroll down and tap on Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here app permission, tap on it. Verify that the Instagram app has the necessary permission to access the microphone and storage on your phone. If none of the above steps work, visit the Instagram Help Center or report the issue through the app. For that, open the Instagram app, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Help. You should briefly explain what happened or what's not working. Describe your issue and you can add photo or screenshot of the issue. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.